Sorry.
I've done 3 interviews with you already. Oh. And we're going to make a 4th today, baby.
Okay, well.
Woo!
Israel and our hostages and the beautiful brothers and sisters that we have.
Of our brothers and sisters and strengthen their spirit. And as he who said to the world, enough, say enough to the sufferings of every child and each of their brothers and sisters, and may they endure no more pain or heartache. Before we call, you will answer. Please, please hurry up now. Our Father in heaven, how long will your strength be in captivity? Do not be still, do not be silent, and do not be quiet.